I stay on campus in North Hall at the Unsinkable Albany State University.
Hold your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment, let your body be. Downtown we let it go, sunset high and our body low.
It's Sha'Reece Nicole. Go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you don't already, go ahead and turn on your post notifications to get a notification every time I post a video. And today's video is a dorm room tour. And you know, you guys been waiting on it or whatever. Maybe not, but oh well, I'm still doing it because I did a little poll on Instagram and y'all voted for a room tour, so I'm trying to record it today, drop the video today, so you guys have to like it for me to do a campus tour. And let's get with the video. Okay, so starting when you first come in, this is our door, obviously. Then we have a few of the Albany State rules that they want us to abide by, but you know. And we have up here, I keep all of my paper towels, my tissue, plastic bag, like Ziploc bags, and the towels to clean around and stuff. And over here, well, we had a third roommate and she left, so we broke the bed down, and like they still haven't came and got the beds out of our room, but we usually keep all of our cleaning supply stuff over here. So we have our broom over here, and then I have my laundry basket too over here. And then as soon as you turn from this, like the little closet area, you come right here, and this is our sink area. And on this side is my side. I have all my face products, my toothbrush, and I bought me and my roommate the 2 toothbrush holders for ourselves so we can match, and then the little soap dispenser so it can go along with, like, match along with our toothbrush holders. And right here in these drawers I have some more cleaning supplies, dish soap, more cleaning supplies, and then trash bags and small bags for us. And then right here, my mom got me and my roommate monograms for our room, and hers is a turquoise color because her color is like a turquoise looking color. And this is mine. And then you turn over here, and I got all of my dry food and stuff over here, my snacks and stuff. And this is the closet. And at first, before I came, I thought it was going to be a little too small for me. I didn't know how much clothes to bring or whatever. So all my shoes are down there, and I put my sandals up here. I usually put like outfits I'm going to wear during the week right there. Then my towel always goes on top. Then my clothes, obviously. I keep my towels right here. I still have more towels in here. My rags, obviously. My coffee mug I got from my college graduation party, for my high school graduation party. And then I have a steamer, and when I tell y'all this is the best thing ever, I'd rather get this over an iron. And if you're thinking about getting an iron, get a steamer, because you just have to have the steamer and then you can use a coat hanger instead of an ironing board. So here's all my snacks. Up there, have like some bread in here, but that's my roommate's side. I'm not really gonna show that too much. But over here, this is my roommate's side too, but we use this as our kitchen area, the microwave. And then up here I have the drying mat, so whenever we wash dishes, we just put our stuff up here because we usually take turns washing dishes. Then over here is my side. So over here, I got my a twin size tapestry off of Amazon, and I actually thought it was gonna be bigger, but I realized when I sent the link to my mom, I didn't tell her to make the tapestry bigger. But oh well, it fits perfectly behind my bed, not too big. So over here, it's a little photo wall that I made. Then up here, I made all of these. I got all the little I forgot what they're called. I'll eventually think of it, but I got those. The little white, I don't know, you use them in art. You use them in art, and I cut out magazine pieces and went along with the color scheme in my room. So I put like black, pink, gray, white, all in that. So that's what I did. And then I have the lights. You can't really see the lights over here, but my lights, I got all of them from I got my lights from eBay. And then, oh, okay, y'all. These are called canvases. I got all the canvases off of Hobby Lobby, and then I just glued them on the magazine pieces on there. Then my roommate got the curtain for our one window in here. It's pretty big enough. And then under my bed, have my drawers. My underwear's in these. I have shorts, leggings, and then like my t-shirts and stuff all in there. Then over here I have, like back there, I have my lash my lash bed, and then I have some more, let me move my cover. Okay, I have some more plates and cups in there. Then my hair products are in here. That's my little lash kit, pads, medicine, Carmex, and then some more hair products, soap, face products, all of that in there, some more dish soap. And then I have this basket. I have my shower caddy, my shampoo, conditioner, flip-flops for when I get out the shower, and then I have my laundry detergent. Over here I have like blow dryer, curling iron, wand, flat iron. Then I have my bags, like makeup bags in here, and then my makeup's in top. Over here I literally have everything in here. But yeah, I have like, because I sell lashes, so I have all the little lash cases in here, head scarves, headbands, everything in there. And then I just have like whatever else in there. And then I have back here my suitcase, my bag, another bag, my fanny pack. Then this is my school bag over here. So this side right here, and that's my lash lamp. Then a little stool, because obviously I can't keep jumping on my bed. So over here is a cereal dispenser. So I have my cereal over here, and then my sweet mate has her cereal over here, because we basically share everything. Like my roommate and my sweet mates, we all share everything. And then this is my little small fridge, and that's really the inside of it. It looks like I have so much cheese, but oh well. Got my water right here, my calendar set for this month, and I got the calendar at Target. Then I got this little lash picture from Hobby Lobby. So this is my desk area. So I have my printer, my makeup stuff, and then I have my books, binders, and stuff right here. On this side, I keep all my silverware. Right here, my pens and pencils, markers and stuff, calculator, stapler. Then I just do my homework over here sometimes, if not my bed. Right here in the top drawer, I have printer paper, manuals to like stuff I bought before I came here, Scantrons, Ethernet cord, light bulb, stuff I'll need. Right here I have all the tuna that I eat. So I have tuna, my gummies, Pop-Tarts. Back here I have staples and paper clips. Down here I have more paper, dividers, and then I have potatoes because I eat baked potatoes all the time. That'd probably be the first, because like you'll never really catch anybody eating baked potatoes, but I do. So then I have granola bars, and I bought the wrong ones, so I did not eat those. I have noodles, and I eat cup noodles. I like cup noodles better, so those are the only ones I really eat. So here's the desk area again. Oh, and this humidifier, my mom sent this to me like last week, and it doesn't work, so I'll probably have to go buy a new one anyways. So that's this side. Then coming over here, this is the door that connects to my sweet mate's room, then our bathroom and our shower. Right here is our bathroom. I don't remember where we got this shelf from, but yeah, this is our bathroom. And then my aunt made these Kleenex signs for us before I came. So, are you asleep, Erica? I'll put you to sleep. Okay, and this is our shower. My sweet mate, she got the shower caddy before we came, because we all decided on we keep all of our shower stuff on there. Then we have another Kleenex sign on here. What?
Hello.
But that's really it to our room. And then in each room you do have your own thermostat, and since I'm only in here, I be like keeping it up on high because I get cold really quick. And that's really it to my room. And I actually just finished my little wall yesterday, and I was like, I might as well do a video, so why not? And that's really it to it.